Lisengxakini enkulu kakhulu yezimali iqumrhu lezophapho lakwa-SAA into leyo ikhokelele ekubeni lirhoxisa ihambo zenqwelomoya eziliqela ezibandakanya imizila ekweli naphesheya. Imizila echaphazelekayo yileyo iphakathi kwaseRhawutini naseKapa naseThekwini kunye neyaphesheya eMunich laseJamani.
Bekucwebile kwindawo lapho kusebenzela khona i-SAA kwisikhungo sezindiza i-OR Tambo International Airport. I-SAA ithi izinkinga eziyikhungethe ngakwezezimali zinomthelela omubi ekuthengeni kwamathikithi ayo.
It cannot be that we must come out and deny the fact that the events that took place in the last quarter of the last calendar year have not had an impact insofar as the brand of the airline is concerned. And the decision that we have now taken shows that it is not business as usual.
Esinye isizathu sokunciphisa isibalo sezindiza ze-SAA ukonga imali. I-SAA isisogibeni lokuphelwa imali yokusebenza njengoba namanje isalinde isizumbulu samabhiliyoni amabili amarandi eyasithenjiswa uhulumeni ngenyanga edlule.
We are doing everything possible to avoid further deterioration of the airline's financial position.
Umnyango wezezimali kuleli ulokhu uthi usayizama imali yesithembiso ubungakayitholi okwamanje. Kusengenzeka noma yini kwa-SAA kulezi nsuku ezizayo njengoba isimo sezimali siba manzonzo usuku nosuku. Mbongeni Muthu, SABC eGoli.